Hey everybody, we have a new promotion going on. We're on a giveaway frenzy.
We're giveaway September, what do we call it?
September
Psychoness?
September giveaways.
All right.
It's all about giving back to the community and thanking you for coming in and shopping with us.
Friendly Hobby success.
Yes,
over the years.
it's for you guys. So that's why we're going to give back to the community. If you've seen the past couple of days, we gave away a gift
3D
card,
printer.
a 3D printer, and a gift card just for coming out and hanging out on the track. So look for this new promotion. You could be in here walking around and we say, hey, here's a gift card, here's some cash, whatever it may be. Just stay tuned to all our social media to look for these new promotions and contests and giveaways and all kinds
We've
of
been
goodies.
brainstorming.
Yeah.
What would be cool? We want to have if you guys don't know, a sumo wrestling where you put your SCX 24 small car and you knock each other off the table.
So
the winner, that's going to win $100.
Yeah.
We're going to have a treasure hunt out in the parking lot, and you find the hidden item and you get a free 3D printer. We're giving away at least one item per day all of September to see how this goes.
Yeah.
So post up, share, get in here, comment on how you want to win something.
Tell us what you think. Tell us a couple contests what we should run and see what we do.
Yep. Anything else?
So yes, stay tuned. But don't forget, because we're really excited, October Bash Track.
Yeah, Bash Track.
Don't forget, it's going to be major, the biggest one ever. Food trucks, fun, family. It's going to be great. So stay tuned to all our social media for that.
And come win free stuff. Come take some stuff from us.
come in and see
especially
us.
3D printers if you don't have
Oh,
one.
yes.
And even if you do have one, it's like chips. You gotta have 2 3D printers.
Can't just have one. Yeah, that's for sure.
All right.
Thanks again. We'll see you soon.